Hello, welcome to a new and powerful way of learning mathematics. In this set of videos, you learn the source code for CXC Math. You'll be able to use the code to do astonishingly fast mathematics. In fact, you learn how to do fast mental calculations in your head. Your brain is a biocomputer. It's the most sophisticated computer on the planet. Your brain is designed to do fast mental calculations. And in this set of videos, you learn the code, the source code that will enable you to do lightning fast calculations. You'll stun your classmates, astonish your teachers, and impress your parents. Now, what is the code for doing fast mental calculations? Well, think of it as a set of methods or tools or patterns or a code or a formula or an aphorism or a rule. Any one of those words would apply, but my favorite is the code, cracking the learning code for doing fast mental calculations. For example, this is a code by one more than the one before. With this code, you can generate the numbers in the natural number system. In a normal and natural number system, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. So how are those numbers generated? They are generated by the code one more than the one before. For example, 2 is one more than 1, the one before, and 3 is one more than the 2 before. 4 is one more than 3 before, and you learn about those codes and you'll see how they will help you do fast addition. Another code you will learn is all from 9, the last from 10. This code will enable you to do fast subtraction mentally. Huge numbers, you'll be able to subtract them from each other quickly and accurately. You'll be able to check your calculations by casting out nines. That's another secret code. You learn about the 10-point circle and number bonds and number family, and how using these the 10-point circle, you'll be able to do lightning fast multiplications. You learn to transpose and apply, solve equations. You learn a code using the digit sum. This should be spelled D-I-G-I-T, digit sum, that will enable you to check your calculations of any computation you've done mentally. You don't need a calculator. You'll be using your biocomputer. So in this set of videos, you learn what it is, what is the code, how to use the code, where to use the code, and when to use the code. The code will enable you to do, as I mentioned earlier, very fast calculations in your brain, in your head. In other words, you will no longer be dependent upon a calculator or a pen and paper to do calculations. Look, for example, at this problem here. If you're given the problem, the sum 24 plus 79, can you add that mentally in 2 seconds or in 1 second? No, you can't. But with the code, you'll be able to do it by using addition and subtraction. For example, you know the number 79 is 1 less than 80. So you, instead of adding 79 to 24, you add 80 to 24, and you get 104. And then you take away 1 from 104, you get 103. That you can do mentally, quickly, and accurately. Instead of adding 9 and 4, 13, put down to 3, carry the 1, 1 and 7, 8, 8 and 2, 10, and so on. You learn the code for doing that, and the code for doing that is by addition and subtraction. As you saw before, we added 1 to the number, then took away 1 from the number, and got the result. So by using these codes, by addition and subtraction, you'll be able to do very fast calculations. Here's another code, a secret code by vertical and crosswise. You'll be able to do multiply two two-digit numbers in your head, or two three-digit numbers, or four-digit numbers in your head. Yes, amazingly, quickly, and accurately. By completion or non-completion, that's another code. If one is a ratio, the other is zero, and so on. With these codes, you'll be able to get top grades in CXC mathematics. They're very simple, easy to use, and they're very powerful. Enjoy. So what you saw in this video is you got a preview of the suite of the codes that you can use to do fast mental calculations.